Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for the District of Columbia, North Central Charles County in southern Maryland, Arlington County in northern Virginia, City of Alexandria in northern Virginia, Central Prince George's County in central Maryland, southeastern Fairfax County in northern Virginia, until 6 o'clock p.m. At 4 o'clock p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain capable of producing flash flooding. Some locations that are affected by the heavy rain include Alexandria, Arlington, Ballston, Belhaven, Fort Belvoir, Franconia, Hybla Valley, Lake Barcroft, Lincolnia, Reagan National Airport, Roslyn, Andrews Air Force Base, Bladensburg, Camp Springs, Cheverly, Clinton, Coral Hills, Forestville, Friendly, Greenbelt, Hyattsville, Kettering, Landover, Largo, Marlow Heights, Marlton, Mitchellville, New Carrollton, Oxon Hill, Seat Pleasant, the Woodrow Wilson Bridge, Upper Marlboro, Woodmore, Adams Morgan, Anacostia, Kenilworth, downtown Washington, U.S. Capitol, Crystal City, FedEx Field, Fort Washington, Galata University, Groveton, Howard University, Huntington, National Harbor, Nationals Park and RFK Stadium. Flash flood-prone areas impacted include 17th Street north at North Buchanan, St. 18th Street at Upton Street, South Troy Street near Long Branch, Braddock Road at West Street, Holmes Run below Lake Barcroft, Rhode Island Avenue northeast between 2nd and Capitol Streets. Most flash flood deaths occur in automobiles. Never drive your vehicle into areas where water covers the road. Flood water usually is deeper than it appears. Just 1 foot of flowing water is powerful enough to sweep vehicles off the road. Make the smart choice. When flooded roads are encountered, turn around, don't drown. To report flash flooding, have the nearest law enforcement agency relay your report to the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Sterling, Virginia. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia. And now